everybody, my name is Corrado Randro. I'm a real estate broker here in Toronto, Canada, and I make these videos during my free time, so I'm not an expert or a financial advisor. And in this video, I'm going to talk about my thoughts about Tesla stock and how I think the stock will perform in the next little while. I'm also going to talk about why I think we can have a potential sell-off next week after they reported 499,550 deliveries for Q4. But before we get into the video, I just want to let you guys know that Webull recently invited me to their influencer program. So if you're interested in getting 4 free stocks that are worth up to $3,700, all you got to do is open up an account with my referral link. The link is in the description of this video. Deposit $100 and you get these 4 free stocks that are worth up to $3,700. And this promotion is valid until January 15th. So let me know if you guys open up an account, and I want to know which stocks you guys get. The argument that Tesla stock price should go up because they beat expectations, I think is false, because I think it already has been priced in. Back in Q3, we had a massive rally from 360 all the way to 450s for deliveries. And this was all pricing in the Q3 deliveries. So I think the same thing has happened here for Q4 deliveries, where we bottomed at 614 and we rose all the way to 718, and this is pricing in the deliveries. I'm going to quickly go over the article that was posted on CNBC's website yesterday. It's titled "Tesla Reports 499,550 Vehicles Delivered for 2020, Slightly Missing Target." All right, start from here. So Tesla said Saturday that it delivered 180,570 electric vehicles in the fourth quarter, beating its previous record as well as Wall Street's expectations. The electric automaker produced 179,757 vehicles total. For the year, Tesla delivered 499,550 vehicles in 2020, slightly missing its most recent guidance of 500,000 vehicles. At an annual shareholder meeting earlier this year, CEO Elon Musk told shareholders he expected deliveries to hit an implied range between 477,750 and 514,500 cars for 2020, despite the impacts of the coronavirus pandemic. The Q4 numbers represent a new record for Musk's auto business, which set its previous best in the third quarter of 2020, with deliveries reaching 139,300 then. As of Thursday, Wall Street expected Tesla to report fourth quarter deliveries of 174,000 vehicles over the last 3 months, according to consensus of analysts surveyed by FactSet. Estimates range from 151,000 at the low end to 184,000 at the high end, and included forecasts published between October and mid-December. In the fourth quarter, Tesla delivered 161,650 Model 3 and Model Y cars and produced 163,660 such vehicles. The automaker also delivered 18,920 Model S and Model X vehicles and produced 16,097 of them. For the year, Tesla delivered 442,511 Model 3 and Model Y cars while producing 454,932 of the vehicles. It delivered 57,039 Model S and Model X cars while producing 54,805 such vehicles. In its quarterly reports, Tesla does not break out delivery and production numbers by region. Tesla also combines delivery numbers for its older Model S and Model X electric cars and newer, more popular Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. I want to quickly go over the Q3 deliveries, which was on October 2nd. I remember the stock went down to $415. So if we look over here, so on the 2nd, the stock came down all the way to $415, when the day before was at $448.88, or almost $450. So for Q3, analysts expected Tesla to report 137,000 deliveries, and it was able to deliver 139,300 vehicles. They beat Wall Street's expectations and delivered almost 140,000 vehicles, and there was a sell-off. I'm expecting similar downside like what happened after Q3 deliveries to happen on Monday. What concerns me right now, and this is kind of weird, is that there's no negative news on Tesla. So I've been following this stock on a daily basis for a while, and usually when this happens, that means that Tesla tops out, it comes back down for a great buying opportunity. So all this positive news makes me think that there could be a sell-off. We've already seen the stock fall around $20, and then it came back up around $10. I still think that it's going to continue to go down approximately 5 to 10% just because we don't have a lot of major catalysts coming up. And if the markets are bullish on Monday, yeah, I can go to 710, even 740, but I still think there's going to be a sell-off regardless if it goes up because the markets are bullish, and it could stay red for a week to even a week and a half, which could be a great buying opportunity for Tesla. Fundamentally speaking, for Tesla to report 499,550 deliveries at this market price, because they're already priced in for perfection. So 500,000 deliveries, in my opinion, is not going to make the stock price go up on Monday. It's not like they did 520,000 or 550,000. 500,000 deliveries was already priced in the stock price. We have to consider the fact that there are no catalysts right now to make the stock price go up. The only one that we know of is earnings, which is the beginning of February. If you look at the 1-minute chart, we had a big sell-off right before the market closed on December 31st. Why did the sell-off happen if we were bullish? That's a big sell-off right before the market closed. This brief sell-off to the downside is giving me enough of a reason to see a sell-off on Monday and Tuesday. As I mentioned before, I think next week is going to be a red week for Tesla. We're now past the catalyst, and normally when we pass the catalyst, the stock price goes down. Look at what happened after the S&P inclusion. The stock price went down a lot. I think the stimulus is priced in as well, considering that the markets are sitting at all-time highs. I think that Tesla will continue to come down because there's no reason for it to come up, but it will bottom out and then come right back up right before earnings, which is February 3rd. So everything I just talked about is just short-term activity and what's currently happening with Tesla, but I'm holding Tesla shares long-term because I feel really good about the company, and I think in the next 5 to 10 years, I'm gonna look back and say to myself, Corrado, why didn't I buy more shares even at $700? But it's good to know the days when to buy. Like, why should I buy Tesla shares when I have more cash? Because I'm always adding Tesla shares, but why should I buy when it's at its ultimate high? It's better to buy at a lower price point. So that's why I think it's very important to know what's going on with the company. Thank you for watching, and I want to ask you a quick question. How much do you think a Tesla share will be in 2026? Leave your answer in the comment section below. Thank you again for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and we'll see you soon. Adios! Hey guys, it's Corrado. If you want to watch more videos, just click over here. If you want to subscribe, which that would make me really happy, just click over here. Have you subscribed yet? I need an espresso.